we are going to discuss about the modified Ashworth scale. So let's discuss. It is a gold standard scale which used to assess the muscle spasticity. It is measure the resistance during the passive soft tissue stretching, and it used to measure the spasticity of the individual. So what is spasticity? The spasticity means abnormal increase in the muscle tone or muscle stiffness which interferes with the movement of the individual and is also interfere with the speech of the individuals. So that is known as the spasticity. The modified Ashworth scale, short form is MAS. MAS scale is used in the diagnosis in patient with multiple sclerosis MS, cerebral palsy CP, and stroke recovery, the brain injury, and in the spinal cord injury patient. The common age where it is used in children up to 6 to 12 years, and in adult it is used up to 18 to 64 years of the life. The original Ashworth scale has only 5 grade, and it used to measure the efficacy of the antiseptic drug in the multiple sclerosis patient. After some time, in 1987, by Bohan and Smith, modified the instrument scale by adding additional point grade 1 plus to increase the sensitivity of the scale by making it a 6-point scale. In both the version, grade 5 and grade 6, in both versions the scale testing is performed with the passive motion to assess resistance during movement due to spasticity. So how to test? So place a patient into the supine position. If testing muscle is primarily flex a joint, so place the joint in maximal flexion position and then go for the maximal extension over a 1 second. If the testing muscle is primarily extend, so place the joint in maximal extended position and go for the maximal flexion positions over a 1 second. And then compare the movement grade with the chart. So this is the scale chart. So if the grade is 0, there is no increase in the muscle tone. That is normal. Grade 1, slight increase in muscle tone manifested by a catch and release mechanism and by minimal resistance feel at the end of the range of motion during part of move. 1 plus means slight increase in muscle tone which manifested by a catch release and followed by minimal resistance throughout the range of motion. So 1 plus means the resistance is felt minimally throughout the range of motion, or we can say less than half of the range you feel resistance, but in 1 you just feel a slight increase in muscle tone at the end of motion. So this is the difference between 1 and 1 plus. The two more marked in muscle tone throughout the most of the range, but affected part is easily moved. So increase in muscle tone is high, but affected part is move easily. Grade 3, considerable increase in muscle tone and the passive movement is difficult. So you have to face a difficulty during the passive movement of the patient. So you can give grade 3. And in grade 4, affected part is rigid in flexion or in extension positions. So these are the total 6 grade for the MAS modified Ashworth scale: 0, 1, 1 plus, 2, 3 and 4. Thank you.